Hello, this is a quick demo for my project that was created on Azure and uses Terraform for the deployment. It was done during the DevOps bootcamp offered by um, Saudi Digital Academy and taught by Aaron Hack. These are the resources created for the project. And if we check the application gateway, we can see the IP 4.155.2.96, which is this one. This is the front end, and if I go to products, it's gonna call the backend, and it's using path-based routing. So we can, if I refresh, we can see that it's calling the backend using the same IP as the front end. Like this, it's just that it has the /API, which means it will be routed to the backend. The front end is using, the front end and backend are both using app services. And this is the backend, and you see the front end app. And I have set up a virtual network with subnets for the backend, the front end, and the database. The database is using a private endpoint to communicate. Well, it's for the backend to communicate with the database securely. And I have IP restrictions on access to the backend or front end apps. So if I go to the default domain, it shows forbidden. So it's only accessible through the application gateway. So everything is through the application gateway. I set up health checks. If I go to the application gateway, I have custom health probes to make sure that our backend and front end are healthy. And yeah, so this one's for the front end, which is with the slash. This one is for the backend, just the /health. I think in one of the roles I set it to send the /health path to the backend. So let's take a look. Yeah. So yeah, this is the project in a nutshell, and it's all provisioned by Terraform using modules. Custom modules that I built with the information that I need to provision these. And I have an example of a Terraform file and what variables are expected. So this will be helpful if someone wants to recreate such a project or wants to provision it themselves. And thank you.